We won't have a society if we destroy environment. We were born to help the world, not to destroy it. Then why are we destroying the environment? We won't have a society if we destroy environment. Care for Earth, care for the coming birth. Caring for Earth is not a hippie thing, it is a survival thing. Don't blow it, good planets are hard to find. Don't destroy greenery and don't spoil scenery. Save Mother Earth. Earth is our mother. In spite of our desire to harm our mother, she will always love us forever. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. For this earth we adore, let's all do more. From the redwood forests to blue stream water, protect the earth for your son and daughter. Good planets are hard to find. Help protect ours and recycle. Heal the earth, heal our future. Life is not saving money, but about saving the planet and its beautiful living creatures. Protect our earth today for our children's tomorrow. Save earth to save natural resources. Save earth. We have nowhere else to go. Shield earth and shield yourself from air pollution. The earth does not belong to us, we belong to the earth. The earth has a skin and that skin has diseases. One of its diseases is called man. The earth is not dying, it is being killed and the people who are killing it have names and addresses. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. The little effort of everyone may change into big one, save Earth. The songs of the earth write the music of my soul. The world will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by who watch them without doing anything. This is our planet. So why we are not protecting it? This where we live, why are we hurting our home? Live on our earth. Love our earth. Laugh on our earth, this is the only one we have, save it. Try to leave the earth a better place than when you arrived. We are living on this planet as if we had another one to go to. We don't inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. When you refuse to reuse, it is the earth you abuse. Save nature slogans. Be awesome and save nature. Be mature and save nature. Change yourself, not the nature. I can find God in nature, in animals, in birds, and the environment. I go to nature to be soothed and healed, and to have my senses put in order. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Knowledge is power to save nature. Let's nurture the nature, so that we can have a better future. Let's save nature. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Love to nature, nature will love you. Mother Nature is always speaking. She speaks in a language understood within the peaceful mind of the sincere observer. Nature gives to every time and seasons some beauties of its own. Nature is a miracle we depend upon. Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. Nature is one of our greatest teachers. Nature is our best friend. Nature is painting for us, day after day, pictures of infinite beauty. Nature is so powerful, so strong. Capturing its essence is not easy. Your work becomes a dance with light and the weather. It takes you to a place within yourself. Nature is trying very hard to make us succeed, but nature does not depend on us. We are not the only experiment. Nature saves us, we too must save it. One who does not love nature, cannot love anything in life. Protect the nature from the effect of pollution and global warming. Saving nature is good for us. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. We cannot command nature except by obeying her. When one loses the deep intimate relationship with nature, then temples, mosques, and churches become important. Go Green slogans. Go Green slogans. A tree that stay, keep flood away. At least do not ruin the life of those trees, depending on which we live. Let's prove that we are humans. Deforestation is changing our climate, harming people and natural world. We must, and can, reverse this trend. Don't be greedy, it is time to be greenly. Don't cut a tree, don't cut a life. Don't cut trees if you want cool air. Don't make trees rare, keep them with care.